What's up, guys? So if you guys follow me on my Instagram or through my podcast, then you know that me and one of my fellow co-hosts of the podcast, Luke Capriti, wanted to make some desks to donate to different students who might not have a dedicated workspace at home. So we actually designed, mainly Luke designed, a pretty sweet modern-looking desk that wouldn't take up a lot of wood. We'd be able to make about 2 desks out of each 4x8 sheet of wood that we get from our local hardware store. And then our goal is to at least try to donate 10 of these. So today I'm going to build the first model one. We've got a student who reached out and said they'd really like for the desk that we're going to be sending to them on Monday. So I'm going to show, I'm hoping this will be a quick build. That's kind of how we designed this thing, for it to be a really quick and easy desk. Really excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I have so far from my local hardware store, I actually picked up sheets of MDF because it's a lot cheaper and we're going to be painting everything anyways. It does make it a lot heavier for a desk, but that should be fine. The whole goal here is to really just try to give away as many of these as possible. So if we save on our cost, maybe we can provide some more. So I've got 2 sheets that have been cut out to the actual tabletop height that we're just going to paint right away. All right, and then I've got 2 of the leftover scraps that we're going to cut on the table saw to make the different legs and shelves. Here we go. To make the cuts easy and fast, I use my table saw and I combine the cuts together to make it as easy and fast to make several runs at the same size without having to adjust my fence. Also, I make sure to wear a mask during these cuts since the MDF byproduct is pretty harmful stuff. To help with the ugliness of the MDF material, we're just going to paint the entire desk white. This way, the students can actually have some fun of their own and paint the desk their own preferred color, or they can just leave it with this clean, simple look. Alright, so now I've got all the pieces cut up here. And before I attach it, I'm going to show you a really cool, easy way that we're going to plan to attach everything, but still make it sturdy. But I'm going to paint everything now. It'll make it a lot easier. The whole idea of this is to make the process fast. Make these, not spend too much time and be able to make these so we can make a whole bunch of them to donate. So I'm going to paint them kind of like you're getting a prefab type of thing. And then we'll attach it all. And I'm going to show you how we're going to keep some parts separate so that we can actually get these in people's cars, who might not have as much room. So here we go. Let's paint it up. So while the paint's drying, I decided to do a quick side project for the students as well. I grabbed a clipboard from the dollar store and I decided to laser engrave a ruler and some useful metrics and conversion tables to the clipboard as an added bonus to go with this desk donation. Okay, back to the build. Now that the paint is dry, I sanded down the areas where I'd be attaching the shelves to the legs, and then I used some wood glue and brad nails to attach everything together securely. For the next desk, I'll probably end up routing out an inset for the shelf to sit in on the legs and make it a little bit more sturdy. But as you can see here, it holds just fine without it. Alright guys, so just got done painting it all and attaching all of the shelves together. And check it out. So this is essentially $20 of wood with some leftover paint, and you got a desk out of it.
And then what we got here are some angled brackets we're going to use to attach the tabletop to the shelf so that they can take it apart to make it fit into any car. And then we stopped by the dollar store and grabbed a whole bunch of school supplies, kind of as a kickstart kit for getting some work done, as well as some dollar store screwdrivers in case they don't have any screwdrivers to attach the angle brackets. So we should be we'll be donating one on Monday and hopefully making a whole bunch more of these.
Now, the goal is to make this as easy as possible for them to set up, so I'm actually going to pre-drill and place the corner brackets so that all they have to do is take the screwdriver that we're providing them and screw the tabletop in from the bottom. And with that, we're all done. This was a really fun one, and some of my favorite products are those that we get to donate and help a good cause with. Make sure you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it to keep up with their latest projects and also to help support the channel. And as always, thanks again for watching, guys.